This car shouldn't exist. $500,000. A V6, and Ford made you apply just to buy one. That already sounds insane. But here's the part that makes no sense. It beat Ferrari at their own game, twice. Once in the 60s with the GT40, then again in 2016 at Le Mans. 50 years apart, same track, same rival, same result. This is the Ford GT, and it's not what you think. Most supercars are about bragging rights. This one was built to win a race. The entire shape exists because of air, the teardrop profile, the flying buttresses, the active aero. Every curve is there to slice through wind at 216 miles per hour. You're looking at a rolling wind tunnel. The body is carbon fiber. All of it. The monocoque, the panels, the wheels, even the seats. This thing weighs just over 3,000 pounds. That's lighter than most pickup trucks. And then there's the engine. A 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 making 660 horsepower. Not a V8, not a V10. A V6 from the same family as the F-150 Raptor. Ford took a truck engine and turned it into a weapon. 0 to 60 in 3 seconds flat. The turbos spool like jet engines winding up. The exhaust screams like a pack of demons. You tap the throttle and it shoves you back hard enough to blur your vision. This isn't smooth supercar acceleration. This is violent. But here's where it gets weird. You can actually drive this thing on regular roads. The suspension drops 2 inches in track mode. Active aero adjusts on the fly. But leave it in normal mode, and it rides smoother than you'd expect from a car this angry. Inside, it's all business. No cup holders, minimal storage, controls on the steering wheel. The seats are carbon fiber wrapped in Alcantara. The dashboard is exposed carbon. Everything you don't need got thrown out to save weight. This is a race car with license plates. And the price? $500,000. That was the starting point. Before options. Before the Heritage Editions. Before the Carbon Series that shaved another 40 pounds and added exposed carbon everywhere. Now those same cars sell for over $1 million at auction. Some have crossed $1.8 million, triple the original price, because only 1,350 were ever built. And Ford picked who got to buy them. You couldn't just walk in with cash. You had to apply, submit a video, prove you were worthy. Most people got rejected. The ones who made it got something no other American car offers. A street-legal machine that won Le Mans, a carbon fiber spaceship that sounds like war, a V6 that embarrasses V12s costing twice as much. This is what happens when Ford decides to make a statement. So yeah, the Ford GT breaks every rule. And if you think a V6 supercar sounds boring, you haven't heard this one scream. Next time, we're looking at something even more unexpected. A truck that costs luxury car money but somehow makes complete sense. You won't believe what it can do. Drop a comment if you'd actually drop $500,000 on this beast. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.